send it. Okay. Okay, children, now let's start our class. You can have your classwork note ready, but don't write as soon as I present because I want you to be clear about it. And in between, I don't want anybody to disturb. Yes, good morning, children. Now we are going to deal with you. Just see, okay, what we are going to do. Good morning to all. Hope all are ready for the class. When you write, you have to listen to the instructions. Okay. Now we are going to deal with adjectives. You can just write the heading in a new page neatly. It should be neat. Whatever you write, it should be neat because you don't need anybody's help when you write neatly. Okay, children? Yes, you can write 7121. No need 0701, all that. 7121 in the margin, straight to that on the first line, double row line, adjectives. Okay. A, D, J, E in the middle. E, C, T, I, V, E, S. Now, children, all must cooperate. Rahil, what are you? Where is your notebook, Rahil? Parents see that the children write when I tell them. Did you write the heading, Rahil? Did you write the heading? Every time you're sitting and talking to somebody. Children, when I go to the next page, you can't ask me to go to the previous page. I'm telling you, write the heading on the first line. And in the margin, the date 7/1. Virti, you're back to Coimbatore, Virti?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good, Virti. You had a nice holiday, I suppose. Okay, now, Vida, have you written the heading? You don't expect somebody else to do for you. Who's this Afra? It's Mohammed Faizan's. Mohammed Faizan? Oh, Sehan. Come on, all start writing. Sri Mukilan, have you written the heading? Rahil, have you written the heading adjectives? Yes, be a good boy. And everybody for that matter. Okay, only 30 minutes class you have to attend. And you must be very, very careful in writing because ma'am is not there to correct your spellings. Now we'll go to the next page. You write the heading, next line, underline the adjectives in these sentences. See, ma'am has underlined even that. See here, first line, write the heading, Roman number 1. Next line, that is same as leaving a line. Okay. Next line, draw one line straight. See that black line over there? Underline. Don't write in a hurry. The THE, ADJECTIVES, adjectives in these sentences, and draw a line. Children, just look at the screen. You have to leave one line and write 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave a line in between. Put the number in the margin. First, you put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly, neatly, leaving a line in between.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Could we write just underline the adjective?
You write the whole sentence in these sentences because you may think afterwards why ma'am wrote half. Underline the adjectives in these sentences. Sentences. Draw a line. The sky. Now, children, all can start writing the sentences. I will ask one by one. You can tell me the answer, okay? All can write the sentences, all. Children, after 20th of this month, I'll be sending the assignment, okay, for 20 marks for all the 3 subjects. Not now, after 20th. So you can do it later. Now in advance I'm telling. Okay, now you can write the numbers leaving one line. You can write the sentences leaving one line. When you leave a number, naturally you will leave one sentence. I mean, for the sentence also one line will be left. Don't tell any answer because I want to ask one by one. Now, Tridip, can you read the first one, Tridip? Can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
the sky is blue.
Twice you have to read because all must hear. Tell.
The sky is blue.
Can you underline the adjectives? I will underline. You tell me. Which word?
Sky.
No. We are explaining about the sky.
Blue, ma'am. Blue.
Yeah. Children, you don't get to read one by one. Listen, when one child finishes, he has to turn off the mic. Others are not supposed to do it. Do anything on the mic. Okay, good, Tridip. See, children, the sky is blue. Even the color, number, all these are adjectives. We are explaining what color is the sky. Okay, now second one. 1 minute. Second one, I just want, let me see, Sri Mukilan to read the sentence. Look at the screen. Read the sentence twice.
The sky is blue.
Excuse me, Sri Mukilan, that is over. Second sentence, second one.
The food was tasty.
Can you give me the answer for which one I have to underline?
Tasty.
Very good. Now, children, you have to listen carefully. The food was tasty. Always it cannot be like sometimes it won't be nice. Turn off your mic, please. The food was tasty. Good. Children, one more thing. When these children read, Rahul, which one did you reach? Please turn off your mic, everybody. Which one did you reach, Rahul? You have to complete all the sentences fast. Pradip, turn off your mic. Pradip, Sujin, turn off your mic. Yes. Just turn
off my mic.
Very good. Yes. Number 3, Sanjit R. Read that. Number 3. Number 3.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Sanjit.
Good morning, Sanjit. How are you?
Yes. I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, Sanjit. Please read third question. Third sentence.
The cloud was funny.
Yeah, we are explaining about the cloud. Tell me the adjective or that explanation of the word. Which one?
Funny.
Very funny, funny. Don't say funny, it's funny. The clown was funny. Very good. Now, Sanjeevan, can you read the fourth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you? Come on.
Have you seen my new big
Bag. You have got a new bag. Now, which word I have to underline over there?
new?
Very, very good, Sanjeevan. Now, children, 1 minute I will tell you to complete this. Then we have something interesting after this. Come on now, very good. All these children answered so well. Now we have something very, very interesting. Yes. Now, Tridib, have you completed all the 4? Please hurry up, children.
Yes, ma'am. I completed the 4.
Good. Deepthi, what about you? Sanjeev and Sanjit, I think your camera, I mean.
Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, we finished. Kanira, ma'am.
1 minute. Kanira, is it your birthday today? No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, others don't say, only when I call your name. Yes, Virti. Sanjit and Sanjeevan, turn off your mic. Now don't show Tridib.
Ma'am.
I will tell you what you have.
Ma'am.
What about
Ma'am, Akhilan brother, ma'am. Akhilan's birthday, ma'am, today.
Akhilan's birthday.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Please, Akhilan, come on the screen now. Come on, turn on your camera. Children, 1 second, we'll sing for him. Please stand, children. Everyone should stand. Sing with ma'am. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Have a nice day. Enjoy. Before class could start. Okay. Now hope all would have completed. So now, have you completed all the 4 sentences? Yes. Good. Now we are going to the next one. Don't disturb ma'am. I will tell you what you have to do. Now see here. Now listen, turn off your mic. Describe. Now you can take a new page. Okay. Present, turn off your mic. Sri Mukilan, turn off your mic. Mukilan, turn off your mic, please. See that Mukil? Who's that singing? 1 minute, 1 minute. Now, take a new page. Children, stop. We'll sing afterwards. Okay, after 11. Good. They all are excited. Take a new page. Roman number 2. Describe these pictures. Children, I don't think we will be able to complete everything, but if it's not completed, you just go to the recording. I will do it as soon as by 12 o'clock. I'll send this recording. Okay. Describe these pictures and underline in a new page. And you can draw one apple exactly like this in the middle of your page. See, 1, 2, 3 lines. See, children, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines here. In the middle, draw one apple now roughly. Afterwards, you can draw neatly and color. Now, no need to color. because there won't be enough time. Describe these pictures. Ma'am doesn't know. You have to describe. Tomorrow I will ask one by one to tell me. Okay. Now you can draw the apple roughly. Don't color. You can do it later. Now you can write here about the apple continuously. Apple in the middle. You can write the sentences below. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Below or just by the side. I think it's better to write below. You write at least 3 sentences. No need to put 1, 2, 3. That is the number for the apple. You can write about this apple. What is it? What kind of a fruit? Whether it is sweet? What color is it? Please write now. I think you can leave 3 lines and draw the next picture because it will take time to write. Okay, only the pictures you draw now. Children, you can write the first one. I will ask you. Getsia, can you tell me? Jamima, don't send any messages in between, Jamima.
Yes, ma'am.
Getsia, just explain about the apple.
Okay, ma'am. The apple is red.
Yeah, it's red in color.
There is one apple.
There is only one apple over there. And there is one thing, no, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Don't write that. That means it's a very, very good fruit. Okay. And you can write about it, describe about it. Okay. Now, that is one example. Children, leave 3 lines down. We can do the next picture. Please leave 3 lines to explain about it. Yes. Now go to the next one. Just draw some balloons over there. And the first sentence I can just tell you, these are colorful balloons. And you can explain about it. Later, don't write now. Draw again. You take the 3 lines. Draw the balloons. Leave 3 lines down. If you don't have space, go to the next page for writing. I think you can put in 2 pictures in 1 page. Written work, you can carry to the next page. Please draw some balloons and color it later. You can describe about this balloon many sentences. It can be used for any function like sports day, birthday party, all that you can do. Experiments, all that. 3 sentences. So you leave 3 lines down. Balloons. You can write where it's written number 2, balloons, name of it. First one, an apple. Second one, balloons. Many are there. Okay. You have to write. Let me see when you come with the notebook tomorrow, because you have only English today to do. You can do it roughly now, children. Balloons. Now, Tridip, can you tell 1 sentence about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Only 1 sentence.
The balloon is colorful.
Yes, you can write the balloon is colorful or the balloons are colorful. Okay, and you okay, very good. That's all. Hope I can go to the next one, children, now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Because, good. Because you can draw the balloons later. I think we have more pictures, to draw. See, you can draw many balloons. It will look nice here. Slowly, neatly, one on top of the other. See that? So the coloring, you can't give it for everything. See here, first one fully given coloring. Second one only 3/4 of it. Like that it goes. It looks very nice.
Ma'am, we can color. We can
Not
different
now.
colors.
Yeah, different. Not now. Not now. Now, Can I go to the next one? Alan. Alan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, what you have to do is you leave 3 lines below each picture, then draw the picture. Draw the next picture, number 3. Then again, leave 3 lines, okay? Don't draw continuously. Number 3 is a rose. You can draw the leaves now. You can ask help
Excuse
of
me?
your parents. Yes?
Excuse me.
Yes, tell me,
I
Virti.
don't have this, ma'am.
Virti, I'm
I
telling
don't
you,
have
Virti. Virti, listen. This is for all. You draw the picture, leave
Ma'am.
3 lines. Again, you draw the... See, Virti, you made a mistake, Virti. Why we are leaving? Please, Jamima, that's wrong, ma. Jamima, you have to leave 3 lines after each picture down to describe about it. Come on. So I think you can draw the picture in each page. One page, apple, leave the space. So I'm explaining to you clearly. Sona, have you left 3 lines below each picture? Show me, Sona. So, because after apple, leave that space. Or you take one new page and draw. Jemima, don't worry about it. Second page, you can draw the balloons. Third page, you can draw the rose. Otherwise, children are making mistake. In each page, you can. Niral, I'm telling you, take one page and draw, Niral. Niral, you take one page and draw because you can't say no space. When you don't have space, you have to go to the next page. So better you draw one picture, leave the space down to right. Alan, show me your notebook. Show me your notebook, Alan.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me. If you don't understand what I'm telling you, just leave. Very good, Alan. Yes. Better you take. Yes. See, apple, 3 lines. Yes. Balloons, next page, 3 lines. Then draw the rose. Yes, Ridit. Very good, Alan. See, all won't be the same. So those who are, yes, Tridib, okay. Those who find it difficult, you draw only one picture in a page that also just above and leave the space down. Hope now it's clear. No need to draw on the same page. Now see how it's given. Clearly it's given. 3 lines, the picture, 3 lines. Now see here, next page, 4th one. What is this?
Sun.
Very good. Who said that?
Alan.
Alan. Okay, Alan. Just one sentence about the sun.
The sun is very hot.
Yes, the sun is, and it's very bright. It gives us light. All that you can explain, and see the smiling sun over there. Just imagine. Okay, now good, Alan. Next time when I ask, you must tell because everybody will tell. Now, sun, if you want to draw, you can ask your mother or your sister a bangle or anything round. 4th one. Turn off your mic, children. Tridip, Sona, turn off your mic. Hope you'd have done it. Yes. Draw a sun. Kailina, show me your notebook. Kailina hasn't come to ma'am at all. No doubt, nothing. Kailina, how are you? She's not talking. Okay. Okay, Jemima, don't worry, Jemima. You can write the name. First one, apple. Draw on one page. Second one, balloons. You can draw later. Write about it below. Third one, rose. Okay, Jemima. No need to erase and, tear now. Tear the page. Slowly, you can do it later. Yes, 4th one is the sun. Let me see next one, children. Oh my God. Yeah. Anyway, we'll finish this. You can do it neatly later because you won't be able to do it in our class. Now, Jamima, tell me about just one sentence about the sun. Jamima.
The sun is shining very bright.
Very good, rightly. That ly words we will teach later. Add verbs, okay? If you add ly to the verbs afterwards. Very good. Now, Sri Mukilan, tell me one sentence about the sun. Children, when I call you at once, you must turn on your mic. No need
The
to
sun
hear.
is very, very hot.
Very, very hot. Good. I think I can go to the next one. And please write SUN sun there, okay, next to 4. Because then you will know sun here. Just next to each picture, write the name of it. Now, next page. See, I can't understand what is Cyrus. Can you help me? What is this?
Ma'am, it's a pencil.
Very good. And it's colorful pencil. Like a cloud. Cyrus, tell me one sentence about it.
The pencil writes very clearly and neatly.
Okay, Sona, tell me one sentence about the pencil. What do you use it for? It is used for Sona. Tell me the uses. Not there. Okay, Fee, tell me about the pencil. What do you use it for?
Ma'am, we use the pencil to write
And
and color.
Draw,
Okay.
color, everything. Now, children, it's a lovely one. You have to draw like that. Why I'm not asking you? In special class time, ma'am will ask you to explain about all these pictures. Otherwise, we'll waste time. Okay, now please draw the pencil roughly. Now let me see whether no, nothing else. You can do it. Please do it, children. Draw the pencil, and I want a beautiful picture like that. You can make the pencil attractive. You can do by yourself, but the pencil point should be there. It can be a color pencil. Okay, you use the pencil for drawing and coloring, and you make it beautiful, attractive in your classwork, and you'll be getting 10 marks for that. Okay, for your classwork, in English classwork note, do it neatly. Lovely picture you have to draw. That's what I told you, not to color it now. You can color it later. Do it neatly. Okay.
Ma'am, can I show you a drawing of the pencil?
What happened?
Can I show the drawing of my
Yes,
pencil?
Judah. Closer. Yeah, you can make it attractive. Okay, you can make it colorful later. Yeah, because each one will have different idea of drawing. You can do it. And children, yesterday's what is it? Recording will be sent soon. Okay, and ma'am will send some videos for English EVS and Maths 1-1. Okay, not English, Maths and EVS. You can go through what all things you finish, so it will help you to do the assignment clearly.
Ma'am,
Yes, Jamima, show me
finished,
Jamima. Yes. Okay, Jamima. See, when you do some mistake, don't get worried. You can clarify that with me. Okay, that's what I'm asking you to show one by one. Yes, Jasiel, have you drawn?
Ma'am?
Jasiel, yes.
Ma'am?
Yes, Jasiel. What happened to the camera? Now, children, after the class, in the evening, you can sit and draw neatly, and please do that because you have only English to do. No EVS, no maths. Okay, Jasiel, can you show me your drawing?
Okay.
Okay, now you can do it by yourself later.
I pencil.
I want everybody to complete it.